Hey guys, we're back at SSP today. It's Sunday, and we're taking Sunday to do a lot of work today. We bought this Mini Cooper from Copart. Obviously, it's got some damage over there in the corner, but the supercharger is making a lot of noise. This is actually a John Cooper Works, so we're gonna go ahead and put this car back together, and I'm gonna enjoy it. Besides being damaged over there, we got the supercharger is making a lot of noise. So today, we're going to literally take the whole front end of this car apart so we can do a major service that the dealer does. It's about $3,000-$4,000 service. So if you guys follow, we're gonna chop up the videos and show you guys step by step how to take this whole front end of this car apart and put it all back together. And the process of going through it all, servicing every piece of thing that's wrong with this car, and then we'll fix the side of the car afterwards. So first things first, we're going to take off the front bumper cover. Come on, Rich, let's go. There's two T30 bolts that sit right here, one here and one over here. If you get a Torx T30, it looks like this. You see it? It's a T30. There's two of them that hold the bumper cover and the front here. And
number 8.
There's two number 8s right here. There's one more 8 right here. Got to get in here from the bottom and get to it.
You have the ignition turned so we can turn the wheels.
Yeah. Make sure you have the key in the ignition so you can turn the wheels. Actually, you know what? We can get to it. Rich?
You definitely get to it with the wheels turned.
Yeah. I'll show you guys what he's doing as soon as we get the bolts out. I'll make more sense. There's this number 8 that goes right here. Come here, I'll show you. There's an 8 right here. It's from the bottom. So if you turn the steering wheel to the left, you can get this bolt easier and turn to the right. There's one more over there on the other side. So you can turn the steering wheel left to right to access these number 8s. This thing is covered in oil from end to end. Okay. Oh my God. You guys want to see the nicest Mini in North America? Let me show you. Turn around. This is the nicest Mini in North America. It has been serviced from end to end. We purchased this one from Copart as well, and believe it or not, my buddy went and looked at it, and we picked it up. It had damage. Rich, it was damaged here, right?
Yeah, that was a while back.
Yeah, the car was hit here. The frame was twisted over to one side, and we get to Copart. He drops me off, and I pick up the car, and I drive the thing all the way home with the frame bent, radiators still intact, and the car drove perfect 75 miles per hour. But it was damaged. But again, we repaired everything. When we've done a $1 million service on this car, everything you can possibly imagine underneath the hood is almost brand new, not including the interior of the car. Let's turn back around.
Kevin's car is not leaking a drop.
So there's a bunch of 10s. They go right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. When we got 4, we got 3. Okay. Well,
and then I took out the Phillips.
Got 3 of these guys. They're number 10s. And then there's a bunch of these like little Phillip screws that go right here. You guys can see. That's pretty much how the bumper comes off. There's not much more to it. I think a total of what? We got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 screws and bolts total.
The Phillips don't have to be taken off, but we're going to replace this.
Yeah. You don't have to take the Phillips off, but we're going to replace this. We're going to replace a lot of stuff. I'm afraid to see what's behind this bumper. The bumper's clipped into here with these little clips. If you just pull on it, it'll come out, but don't rip it because if you come here, I'll show you guys. There's these, there's this fog light, turn light, and the corner lamp. If you push the little clip, they will release. Where did that come from?
This is the Peter stack comes right through here.
Yeah, where does that stick to? On the bumper?
Right here.
Okay, that's where it goes. Okay, because on the last mini, I was trying to figure out where that went, and that's how I take the bumper cover off.